tubers.
Welcome back. I'm your Stuttering Tech Drew, back with another one, and today I'm taking a look at the SoundPEATS True Wireless Earbuds. Now these little things pack a punch. It has Bluetooth 5.2, active noise cancellation, up to 21 hours of playtime. You get 7 hours from the earbuds, and the case provides 2 additional charges. Now let's take a look at these little buds here. Oh, and the price, let's talk about the price real quick. It comes in at $60, but at the time of recording this video, there is a promotion on Amazon for 20% off. Now let's go ahead and take a look. First, let's look around the case. It's USB-C. Thank you. USB-C. I'm tired of the modern day devices coming up with micro USB. I think we need to just dash that away. Just get rid of that. We don't need anything with micro USB. So now, good thing, USB-C. So let's take a look at the buds themselves. And these are little tiny things. Now I already have these connected to my smartphone, so that's why the LEDs are white right now currently. But when you get these, they will be red, flashing red and white, between red and white, because they're trying to pair. Now these things have pretty strong magnets. They connect to each other, but any kind of shaking, it will come loose. You gotta shake pretty hard, but it will come loose. But they, for the most part, will stay connected to each other if you lay them down on a desk or something like that. Now they can they fit in the case pretty good because it has pretty strong magnets. As you can see, the LEDs are now red, indicating that they are charging. And we do have the green LED telling you that the case is fully charged, or at least has good battery. And the thing I like with this is, back to the magnets again, is that you cannot put these in the wrong side. So this is the right one. It will not fit. It will not go into the right to the left slot because the magnet is pushing it out. I've never seen that on any other music start playing. So yes, I've never seen this on any other earbuds that I've had in the last 5 years or ever, that the magnets will push it out if it's in the wrong slot. So I just put this in the right slot, it will just automatically go in, and the magnets are pretty strong. It's not falling out. It's not gonna fall out just like that. It will take something pretty significant, like maybe IA dropping it from somewhere very high. And yeah, it's very, very, very powerful magnets that this thing have. Now, I've been playing around with these. Well, not playing around. I've been using them for the last couple of days. I would say about 4 days now, and these things sound great in my opinion. So let's take a look at how it fits in your ears. Now I did switch out the ear tips, so I don't have the default ones. I think the default ones that come on is the mediums, but I put on the large so I can have that great seal. And they are soft. The tips themselves are very soft. Yeah, not the tips that you're thinking about, but the ear tips themselves are very soft, and it doesn't like many other earbuds that I have the pleasure of using. They, after a while, irritate my ears. Maybe I was saying about like 20 minutes, or sometimes even less than that. But with these, I forget that they're even in there, and they fit very secure. Now, when I'm wearing a mask, of course, the pressure from the mask on my ear, I do know that I have these. I do know that I'm wearing buds because the pressure is making my ears hurt. So, but without a mask, everything just weird. I forget that they're even in there, and they do have transparency mode, as I mentioned, so I can just turn those on and I can still hear my surroundings. Now, if with transparency mode on, you will reduce the amount of playtime you have from 7 to 5. So with ANC on, you will get up to 5 hours of playtime on a full charge on each bud. The case provide 2 extra charges, so you'll get 15 hours. So you do lose some time, but it does sound pretty good. And in ANC mode, I would say it adds just a tiny bit of bass, of low end. Now, if you're a person that likes crazy, crazy bass, I don't think these are for you, but they're more on the balance. They're more balanced, in my opinion. That's how it sounds to me, but it sounds great. It's loud, and I just love how these things sounds. Probably don't want to start disclose that I did run into a little bit of snafu a day after getting these, where the left earbud is the main one, but for some reason it wouldn't. The right one wouldn't connect. And when pairing it, I it would only connect to the right earbud and not the left. Even though the left is the main earbud, but even though the left is the main earbud, you can use any one you want. You can use just the left or just the right. The left earbud is will control your ANC, switch between normal ANC and transparency mode. Now let's go ahead and let's listen to some jams. I'm gonna put something on so you guys can hear it. It does bleed a bit when you are listening to music, especially I have it on the loudest volume. I don't know how well you guys can hear that, but woo! Woo! Good in on the bed. Try that. Try that. Yeah, play pause works great in this thing. I mean the controls work very good. You can play pause and all that stuff, but you cannot go back, skip back your track. I believe to skip a track, you hold on the right one for 2 seconds, I believe, and it's supposed or it's triple taps. Nope, that brings up your assistant, so you can activate your assistant by just triple tapping on the right earbud. And for skip it to skip the tracks, I forgot. I gotta look in the book, but I believe to skip a track, you want to hold it the right earbud for 1.5 seconds. One Mississippi. Okay, that is not working the way I would like it to be to work. Let's play music and then try. So it doesn't seem to be working at all. Now I know the left button will work to activate the ANC and all that, and normal mode and gate and transparency mode is the same kind of function. Tap and hold for 1.5 seconds, but that actually works. So now the active noise cancellation is on, and because it was in the normal mode. So this is one thing I did have it in ANC before, but I assume when you put them into the case, it resets back to normal. So this is something I'm learning right now. It doesn't mention that in the handbook anywhere, and I can already hear my voice sounds very tinny right now compared to when it was in normal mode. So this active noise cancellation is working. And then to put it into transparency mode, you do the same thing, another 1.5 seconds. I guess I didn't hold it long enough. Like I said, I'm not big fan of these types of controls. So now I'm in pass-through mode, and yes, I could actually hear things better than with my own ear. It actually sounds pretty good. I can hear everything I'm doing. I just heard that. I'm hearing everything just fine. Now I'm just and then put it back into normal mode. Then back to ANC. So now ANC is on, and my voice is back to sounding very tinny. Now let's go ahead, listen to some more music. And yeah, these things do not protrude as much. London girls, Birmingham girls, Manchester girls. Like one we see, you're not easy like 1, 2, 3. No, it not work so. Up. When you back it up, make it up, back it up, baby. Back it up, well, back it up. When you back it up, back it up. Mm. Ooh, these things sound very, very good. Like I said, ANC activates a little bit of adds some low end into the audio, but overall, if you're a heavy bass kind of person, I don't think these are for you. But I say these are the best, uh, in my opinion, that I've had for the price, for the price that they offering this for. They're the best in their class, especially with the active noise cancellation for what you get, 21 hours of playtime, and for the size, not these overly big ones I hate that hangs on your ears. They are very, very good. Very good. Check the link down in the description. I'm going to get back to jamming, but please like, share, subscribe, and hit that thumbs up. And it will greatly be appreciated. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be.